Hey, good morning, guys. So today in our class, we worked on our letters and identifying the words that start with that letter. So some of y'all will have giant sheets that like the letter Q, the letter U, letter Z, all those. And then you would also have ones that like this. There should be 3 pages. 2 pages are gonna be full, and then 1 page is gonna be like a little half page, which I believe are just the letter B's. You'll notice they all go together. So these are all the E's, the U's. The X's are a little tricky because Xbox is the only one that really starts with the X. And so what they did was they put the X's at the end. So that one's gonna be a little tricky. If I maybe save that one for last, what's left over. But so some of the things, there's different ways you can do this. So ideally, what I would do in class, it depending on my student. So let's say we had. Wait, let me give me. Here we go. So let's say we were doing the letter Q. So I would have Q, plate. Let's see if I can put it down. Q right there. And then I would have my field of 2 choices. And you'll notice on the Q, I actually highlighted the Q because some of our students may not be able to distinguish. They see all the letters and they don't know which one they're looking for. So I highlighted the first letter. That's up to you. You'll know your student more if they can handle it or not. And then you say, all right, show me, and you would point to Q, and then show me which one's Q, and then have them match it and put it on the square. You can also do this if a field of 2 is too easy. Put it back up. You can. If field 2 is easy, you can always do a field of 3. So again, still try to do 3 different letters. So Z, B, Q. And again, I highlight this one. If they can see without highlighting, that'd be great. And then have them they tap that one, and then they can glue it on and put it in the Q spot. And there'll be 3 in each one. Some students, like we had a student in class that literally just had a pile of letters and with the letter Q, and he just went, found the Q, put it on, found the Q, put it on. Some students can do that, some can't. So that's why we give the options of field of 2, field of 3, in no field at all. Also highlighting, that can help to distinguish between them. And eventually, when you look like this, the letter Y, you have yam, yogurt, and yard. And you'll see the first letter is Y, yogurt Y, and yam Y matches the letter Y. Same thing found in yo-yo. All Y words. And that's what our goal is for this one, is we're going to see our little, sort of like little sight words that we can try to sound out and read too, but also that we're matching the first letter they start with the exception of X, whereas X will be the last letter on 2 of them. So if you guys have any question on that, feel free to reach out. And again, not mandatory. You don't have to do them all. If you only want to do 3 or 4 and then they start to get a little restless, that's totally fine. I can see myself doing like the letter Q, Y, and J, and I can see they're getting a little upset. Like, oh, hey, you know what? You did a great job. Let's go take a little quick 3-minute break, and then we'll come back and finish it. You can always do something like that too. A lot of times we want them to sit and have their goals all done like right now. But that's not always the case. The goal is that they understand it. So if they're angry, are they really going to understand it? And so my philosophy is, do as much as you can, and then let them calm down, have some fun, come back and finish it, and we're still going to see the same results, hopefully, whether they got it or they didn't. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.